Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Welcome back. Congratulations on buying your photo booth or 360 booth at wholesale price. If you guys are looking around to add another booth or buy your very first booth, I'll go ahead and share my suppliers in the description box below. Here, what I have in front of me is a 360 booth, 100 centimeter with a zipper pouch. Now, this comes directly from my suppliers. When I order, I always tell them, go ahead and include an extra pouch. So I have like 2 pouches per booth, just in case one pouch gets messed up. Now, speaking of this pouch getting messed up, you want to increase the lifespan of your pouch. And one of the ways you do that is when you're rolling your 360 booth like this, right? You want to make sure you're rolling it on this end and not on this end, because what'll happen is you'll smash the teeth on your zipper pouch and it'll damage the zipper. And then it's like, oh man, now I got a pouch with a messed up zipper. So I wanted to share that quick little tip with you guys in hopes that all of the equipment that you are buying works out for a few years, okay? All right, guys, if you have any questions, comment box below for that. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.